Hello students, welcome to my class. In today's class, we will continue with the chapter Linear Inequalities of class 11. So in the previous video, we have discussed the introduction of this chapter and we have learned how to find the solution of a linear inequality. Today we will start with exercise 6.1. So the first question, solve 24x is less than 100 when x is a natural number, and the second question is x is an integer. So we have to solve the given inequality and we have to find the solution in both the cases. When x is a natural number, we have to find solution set, and when x is an integer, we have to find the solution. So first we will take this inequality, that is 24x is less than 100. So what we have to do? We have to first make the coefficient of x1. For that we will divide the inequality by 24. So dividing the inequality by 24. So which is a positive integer. So the inequality sign will not change. So 24x by 24 less than 100 by 24. So what will happen? These two we can cancel. So you will get x is less than. Then here when you cancel by 4 table, we will get 25 by 6. So when you express this in decimal form, we will get 4.1. So x is less than 4.1. So the first one is when x is a natural number. When x is a natural number. So what are the natural numbers? We will have for x which is less than 4.1. So x is a natural number. So x can take values 1, 2, 3, 4. So these values will satisfy the inequality, or these values will make the inequality true. So the solution set is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the answer when x is a natural number. Now the second part is when x is an integer. When x is an integer, so what is the value? What are the values of x which satisfy the inequality? So we can take all the negative integers, all negative values, negative integers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these values will satisfy the inequality. So the solution is equal to, in this case, in the second case, the solution is equal to set etc. minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the answer. So this is how we have to find the solution of a linear inequality. Now second question. Question number 2. Solve minus 12x is greater than 30 when first question is x is a natural number and the second part x is an integer. So here we will take this inequality, minus 12x is greater than 30. So what we have to do? We have to make the coefficient of x1. So what we can do? We can divide the inequality by minus 12. So dividing by minus 12. So minus 12x by minus 12. So here 30 by minus 12. So we are dividing by a negative integer. Then what will happen to the inequality sign? It will get reversed. So this greater than symbol will become less than. So this is as per rule 3. So if you divide or multiply the inequality on both the side of an inequality by a negative integer, then inequality sign will change. Now we can cancel these minus 12, we can cancel. So you will get x less than. Here we can cancel by 6 tables. So you will get 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 which is equal to minus 2.5. So you will get the value inequality as x is less than minus 2.5. Now we will take the first case. When x is a natural number, what is the solution? We will see now. So if x is a natural number, what are the values x can take? So x can take values 1, 2, 3, etc. So these are the natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So now if you see no value, these values are actually not less than minus 2.5. All these values are greater than minus 2.5. So if I am substituting 1 or 2 or 3 in this inequality, inequality, definitely these values will not satisfy the inequality, or we can say that no value of x will make the inequality true. So in this case, when x is a natural number, for this inequality has no solution. So here in the first case there is no solution. Now we will see the second case, that is when x is an integer. X is an integer. So integer means we can find out the numbers which are less than minus 2.5. We can find out the numbers, all the negative integer up to minus 3 we can take, all the negative integers. So this is actually the solution set. So solution is equal to set etc. Solution is equal to set etc. minus 4 minus 3. So all the negative numbers up to minus 3 will satisfy this inequality. So this set will give the solution set. Now the next question. Now the third question is, solve 5x minus 3 is less than 7 when x is an integer and when x is a real number. So first we will solve this inequality. So 5x minus 3 less than 7. So first we have to remove this minus 3 from the left side. So what we have to do? Adding 3 on both the sides. Adding 3 on both the sides of the inequality. So we will get 5x minus 3 plus 3 less than 7 plus 3. So this 3 will get cancelled. 3 and minus 3 will get cancelled. So 5x is less than 10. Now what we can do? We have to make the coefficient of x1. For that we will divide the inequality by 5. So dividing by 5. So 5x by 5 less than 10 by 5. So these two 5 will get cancelled. So x is less than, here you will get 2. So x is less than 2. So this is the inequality. Now the first question is, x is an integer. When x is an integer, what is the solution? So all the numbers, all the negative integers, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, then 0, 1. Up to these numbers will satisfy the inequality. So our solution is equal to etc. minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. So all the negative integers 0, then 1. So this will give you the solution set. Now the second case is when x is a real number. X is a real number. So when x is a real number, what is the solution? We have to express the solution as an interval. So x less than 2. So what is its meaning? All the negative numbers up to 2. So the solution is minus infinity to open interval 2. So open interval minus infinity 2. So this is the solution when x is a real number. Now we will see the fourth question. Question number 4. Solve 3x plus 8 is greater than 2 when x is an integer and x is a real number. So first we will solve the inequality. So 3x plus 8 is greater than 2. So we have to remove 8 in the left side. So what we can do? We can add minus 8 on both the side of the inequality. So adding minus 8 on both sides. So here 3x plus 8 minus 8 is greater than 2 minus 8. So this plus 8 and minus 8 will get cancelled, and 3x is greater than minus 6. Now what we have to do? We have to make the coefficient of x1. For that we will divide the inequality by 3. So dividing by 3. So here 3x by 3 is greater than minus 6 by 3. So this 3 will get cancelled, and here x is greater than, here we can cancel by 3 tables. So x is greater than minus 2. Now the first one, when x is an integer. So x is an integer. So what are the values of x which satisfy the inequality? All the numbers greater than minus 2. So what are the numbers greater than than minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, all the positive integers, and minus 1, 0. So these values will satisfy the inequality. So we can write solution set is equal to set minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So this is the first case. The solution is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And the second one, when x is a real number. So x is a real number, then the solution we can express as an interval. So here the inequality is x is greater than minus 2. So all the values from minus 2 to infinity. So minus 2 to infinity, open interval, minus 2 to infinity will give you the solution when x is the real number. Now we will see the fifth question. So question number 5, solve the inequality 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. So we are going to solve this inequality 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. So first we have to make all the terms containing x in one side. So we have to bring this 5x to left side. So what we can do, we can add minus 5x on both the sides. So first step is adding minus 5x on both sides. So left side 4x plus 3 minus 5x less than 5x plus 7 minus 5x. So here plus 5x and minus 5x will get cancelled, and here we can simplify. So when you simplify, 4x minus 5x is minus x plus 3 less than 7. Now what we have to do, we have to remove this 3 from the left side. So what we can do, adding minus 3 on both the sides. So adding minus 3 on both sides. So minus x plus 3 minus 3 less than 7 minus 3. So this plus 3 and minus 3 will get cancelled, and you will get minus x is less than 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. But here if you see, the coefficient of x is negative. So first we have to make it as positive. So we can divide or multiply the inequality with the minus 1. So if you multiply by minus 1, then the inequality sign will change. Multiplying with the minus 1 on both the sides. So what will happen, minus of minus x, and this inequality sign will reverse. So this less than symbol will become greater than, and minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. So you will get x is greater than minus 4. So here they have not mentioned whether x is a natural number or integer. So we will take x as a real number and we will write the solution. Therefore solution is equal to, solution set is equal to x is greater than minus 4. So all the values of x greater than minus 4 will satisfy this. Okay, so all positive integer, then minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 will satisfy this, and all the real numbers in between real numbers also. So the solution we can write as an interval minus 4 to infinity. So the solution for the given question, fifth question, is minus 4 to infinity. Today we have completed first 5 questions of exercise 6.1. So the remaining questions we will discuss in the next video. If you like my channel, you can share and subscribe. Your subscription, my motivation. Thank you, students.